Hey everyone, I would like to share a few ideas that I had for teaching the five themes of geography, and those are location, place, human environment interaction, movement, and region. Now, for this lesson, the focus would be on the continent of Africa. But specifically for the lesson ideas that I've created, it would focus in even deeper on Sudan. And so these ideas are set up as stations. These stations would probably be able to last for about 7 to 9 minutes. At the first station, students are going to look for latitude and longitude by using globes, practicing their map skills in a multitude of ways, and they could further that with the use of Google Earth. At another station, students would read an excerpt from the novel A Long Walk to Water. If this was in a middle grade classroom, there's a chance that students could already be familiar with this story, but they would read that excerpt and then write down 3 questions that they have about Sudan now. Then students would listen to a podcast episode. They wouldn't be able to listen to the entire episode, but the first, like I said, 7 to 9 minutes could be listened to. And then as they listen, fill in a worksheet where the guests are talking about their travel through the country, the food that was available, and their healthcare experiences while they were in these 3 different countries that neighbor each other. Then in the movement station, I would like students to move and experience the challenge of water access by carrying a jug of water. And the distance that they carry it is all dependent on where we would be at, if we would be allowed to go outside, if we would have appropriate weather to go outside. But I think that an activity like this could really build in some understanding of what water scarcity can be like. And then finally, in the place station, the features of the terrain would be shown with pictures that they could then flip over and read a text description of those features. And then beyond that, students could create a bingo card with the vocabulary that they've just gone over, those features of the terrain, and then together go on Quizlet and use a flashcard set that I've set up to play a quick game. Well, thank you so much for listening to these ideas, and I look forward to hearing some feedback.